welcome back. So today I have a requested DIY for you. I'm going to be creating a mirror. Yes, so if you guys are interested on seeing how I created this, just keep on watching. I'm going to be starting off with this mirror that I picked up from Dollar Tree. So what I'm going to do is just take some frog tape here and just go ahead and tape off my area that I'm going to be using, because I'm going to glitter out part of my mirror here. Okay, so I'm going to be going with my jumbo glitter. I might throw in some of this Krylon here that I got from Walmart. Actually, I got all of these from Walmart. And then I'm thinking I might go in with my fine glitter as well. Alright, so now I'm just going to take off the tape. It's not completely dry, so I'm hoping that it will come off nicely. Okay, so I just finished taking off my tape, and so I want to make a recommendation. If you guys do want to do this, go ahead and take the tape off as soon as you finish putting down your glitter, because it likes to pull up on the sides. Even though I tried to do it as lightly as possible, it still wanted to take that glitter right off, and I had to like push mine back down, but it still worked out pretty well. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put the remainder of my glitter mixture on here in these little empty spots, and I may need to mix up a little bit more, but we'll see how this goes, because I kind of want this to be really nice and thick on here. Alright, so next I'm just going to go in with this square mirror that I picked up from Dollar Tree, and also these little rings here. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with these picks from the Dollar Tree. I'm only going to be using this end here, so I'm going to be removing that forked end. So guys, that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope that you all have enjoyed this little video. If you have, please give this video a big huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, as well as hitting the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.